Welcome to the IT Knowledge Tips YouTube channel. Before we begin, please subscribe and click the notification bell button below for more updates. In this video, I will show you how to clear the Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge browser history to avoid someone from stealing your username and password. Let's begin. Open the browser and then press Ctrl plus H key and then select the Delete Browsing Data. Choose either Basic or Advanced option, and then choose All the Time or Last 24 hours. And finally, select the Delete Data to clear all the history. For Microsoft Edge browser, open the Microsoft Edge browser. Press Ctrl plus H key, select the Delete Browsing Data icon, choose All the Time, and tick all the checkbox below. And press Clear Now to delete all the history. Thank you for your time today. Please remember to click the subscribe button and the notification bell button below for more videos to come.